Oh, good morning, folks. Yes, indeed, it's a very early 20 past 8 in the morning here. And, oh man, I have to get myself together here. Yes, and it's a very cold start and sort of horrible, damp start to the morning, folks. Yes, look, the police vans are still there, folks. The events van is still there. But this morning, however, we are off to the mental dental. Got an early one then, 9 o'clock start the dentist today. God's sake. Could have done with a long eye as well. Massive queues here, folks. There we go. 11 please, thank you. Take me up, lift. Look, I'm very tired, folks, I really am. Very grumpy actually, quite grumpy today. Bothered. It's very cold today, folks, yes. Cold day. But I can see over there, I can see Tayport and Newport, the bridge. All the lights flashing away today, folks, yes. It's funny watching everybody rushing to work, run like this, you know, frowns and just hurrying very fast, getting to work. Still, I'll be out here by about 10:30, hopefully. So, take it from there. There it is, folks. A mental dental. 11 again, please. Thank you. Very small lift, this one. Small and compact. Look, there it is. Right, we're here, folks. We've arrived. Yes, we're here.
What's your date of birth?
8/12/63.
Right, well, we just have a seat in the waiting room.
Thank you very much. Right, folks, that's me done. That's me out of. Yes, I'm out. I'm out. Oh, it's raining, man, is it? Okay, so I've got a big fill in. That was quite a tussle there. There was all sorts of lots of pulling and aspirations going on, and I had to hold this thing in while it soaked all the dribble and everything out, though. So, right. Anyway, that's it done, though. So really nice meeting Joanne, the dental nurse there that helped me out there. So thank you for that. Right. What shall we do now? Folks, found somebody's sleeping arrangements over there. Look. So, folks, for the rest of the day, well, I don't really know what to do now because the kitchen's getting done up, obviously. So, but yesterday I was helping Rosie try to. What's that over there? Something weird going on. I was trying to help Rosie paste the wallpaper, and what's going on over there? Hang on. Right, folks. Anyways, as I was saying, I was trying to help Rosie wallpaper yesterday. So first of all, I didn't put enough paste on the first bit of wallpaper, so she was moaning about that, and then the second one I over pasted it, so of course I was in trouble for that. So I'm absolutely useless, folks, absolutely shocking at doing DIY. Anyway, we're going to go and see what's going on over here. There's a lot of water just sort of spouting out over here. There's the flats of the future. Just the hose, is that what it is? Okay. Right, I'm going to do another magic trick for you folks. Now, here we have an orange ball, as you can see, a nice orange ball. So what we're going to do is, we're going to put this up here, and very quickly we're going to change it into a green ball. Wow, thank you. Right folks, now sometimes it's not all excitement and, you know, lots of stuff happens in the world of jag lives and Spiz and Bro, because at the moment I'm here in Montefiore. I'm just going to go for a little stroll. I had a coffee and a bun, sat down the front and I had it down there, and and Bro's just texted me there saying I'm at the cafe in City Square. He's looking for Midjaw and Claire Grogan because they're on tonight. We were going to go and see them with the Christians. £36 of tickets though. Oh man, no way. No. Anyway, so we're here in Montefiore. Now, what we're here for though, folks, is we're going to be looking for a jacket potato. Oh yes, my life is that exciting at the moment. A jacket potato, one of those McCain jacket potatoes. Bro said they're actually quite good, so that's what we're going to have for tea tonight. So I'm going to Tesco to look for one of those, see if we can get one of them. Whew, the excitement's too much. Right into the charity shop. Right folks, so here we are with tonight's tea. Now this is one of these McCain's jacket potatoes that Bro actually recommended. He said they were very good, so we're about to eat this. We've got some cheese pickle, a little slice of ham on the side. We'll see how we get on with this. I'm not holding out much hope for it really, because I mean I like a normal jacket potato, well done, crispy on the outside, but we'll see how we get on with this. That doesn't look too bad. Took about 5.5 minutes in the micro, so here we go. Right, well folks, as I was saying there, we're going to be getting a new themed kitchen now with the clock here. The clock is going to be changed over because it normally sits up here, and every time we come in we look up there but there's nothing there, it's down here. So we're going to be getting Thunderbird themed decals up here, so it's going to be like Tracy Island. So very exciting. The new kettle is going to be like in the shape of Thunderbird 2, and yeah, it's going to be great. I think it's going to be like Thunderbirds, isn't it, Rosie? Okay, sorry. Rosie. Okay, Rosie. Okay, Rosie. Okay, Rosie. Right, folks, here we are in Spiz HQ, having a bit of a tidy out, as you do. Well, I came across this book, Antique Marks. I just started on a little flick through it, and also I remembered I have this this old pocket watch, which I don't know where I got it from. I think it was in a box that my granddad or my dad gave me. I'm not sure. It's got a few sort of rough marks on it, and it doesn't actually work. I've tried winding it up. So what I did was I got out my looking glass thing, which really magnifies things up really, really well. It's like one of these, what do you call it? It's got a name, I can't remember. And I just happened to have a little look on the back here because there is some sort of mark on the back here. Now I don't know if this is going to show it or not, but what you can see there is there's a sort of a 9. It's like a 9 and a C and an asterisk 41. But what's really impressive, folks, is on the very back. I never even noticed this before. Is there's a signature, and can you see that down there? Like just down there. Can you see it? Yeah, well, you can see it a lot closer when you look through it. Now, it's actually got 3 kind of things scrawled on it. The first one says 27/8/43 A, and then the initials AS. The second line says 18/6/51 and the same signature, and then 26/9/52, the same signature. So I just don't know what they mean, folks. So we're going to go and do a little bit more research, go on the internet. So I don't know. Is this watch made in 1943 perhaps? And that was the guy who maybe maintained it or did something to it. AS. I've just had a look on this and it says London Makers Marks AS Thomas Ashe, but I don't think this is from London somehow. So, interesting bit of research needed to be done on this watch. Look at that. It's a nice thing. So hopefully I may be able to get it restored. And was it my granddad's? What are these marks? It's like sort of like wax, you know, that sort of sealing wax, and it opens up, but there's nothing. I would have thought there would have been something there, but so we have this. Anyway, let's Go research. I love stuff like this. Right, folks, I found some more writing on the watch. Just having another little look there. I came across this other signature on it. It's like a GW, or it's either a G Mook with an A or a C and a G. It's just like that's it. That bottom one there. That's the best one I can come up with. So goodness knows what it's all about. I'm definitely sure it was my grandfather got it. It was in a box with his medals. But so I need to. I'm still trying to investigate online. Where there's lots of pocket watches very, very similar to it. However, this one doesn't have a name in the middle there. You know how it normally says who makes it. This one doesn't have a make on it at all. So the first date there, what did I say the first date was? 60, 52, 43, 33, 1933. So that would just be between the wars. That would have been. So I just don't know, folks. Wish it would work. Probably just take it to a watchmaker and they would be able to mend it, obviously. But it's like the spring mechanism's just not working. I've given that a shake, I've wound it, I've put magnets on it, I've tried everything. Just can't get it to work. Just can't get it to work. Anyway, a bit of a project to find out, a bit of a research investigation. So it seems to be stuck at 9 minutes. At least it'll be right twice a day.